In matter, states of matter, solid, liquid, gas, their definitions, examples. Then afterward, in second, we will study about elements up to 20 atomic numbers. Yes, up to atomic number 20, we will study different symbols of elements, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, like that, up to calcium, name and symbol of elements. Then we will study about atom, compound, and difference between element, compound. What is the difference? Like this. What is atom? What is molecule? Like this. We'll study. Okay. Then, firstly, what is matter? What is matter? To define matter, we have to consider mass. And that means any object which have certain mass, that means certain kg, gram, etc., and which occupy certain volume to keep it, then that substance is matter. That means any uh, substance, any object, anything which has mass and volume, they all are matter. For example, iron, iron is matter because iron will have certain mass, and to keep iron piece we need some space. That means it covers some volume. Then sound is not considered as matter till now. Okay, till now sound, I am speaking, you are listening. Yes, sound is not considered as matter because it has no mass. We cannot take mass of sound. How much gram sound is this? Like that, we cannot take mass and volume. Sound has not uh, any specific volume. It does not have any. It does not need any space to occupy. Likewise, light. From sun, light comes up to earth. Light has no mass. Light cannot be taken uh, as gram, milligram, kg, like that. And to the light also, we don't need any space. Therefore, sound and light, they are not considered as matter. But other materials, for example, iron, I have already told you, anything which is kept in your house, which you can feel, can touch, all objects are matter because they all material, all objects, all things which you have kept in your room have certain mass, and they occupy certain volume to keep them. The three states of matter. Mass are in three different states. Some some are found in some are found in solid condition, and some are found in gaseous condition. Here is one. Here is one slogan. Here is one poem. Matter, matter everywhere. There is matter in your hair. That means your hair is also matter. Matter in the ear. That means ear is also matter because it has certain mass and volume. There is even matter of pear. Pear means fruit name. Fruit name pear. There is even matter in a pear. There is liquid matter, solid matter, and matter that's a gas. Matter has three states: solid, liquid, gas. Even you are matter. Your body is matter because your body has certain. Therefore, you say my body weight is 35 kg. Due to mass, you have weight. That is, your body is also matter because you have volume and mass. In this way, matter has three stages: the solid, liquid, gas. A solid has a definite shape, volume. Look here, all these pictures are solid matter because their shape is fixed. That is not changed by the time. Look here, there is one table, bag. Do they change their shape by the time?
No, sir.
No. And volume. Do they change their volume? Small chair becomes big. Does it happen? No. There is apple. Okay, this is already harvested apple, not in the plant, not in apple tree. It is it is on the table. Then this apple, does it grow or decrease its volume by the time?
No, sir.
No. Does it change its shape itself? No. Then most of the students have these types of playing tools in your houses where there are small child are at home. Actually, these tools are useful for big students also, but mostly in small child they want to play with these tools. These are geometrical shapes. All have definite shape and volume. They don't change their shape and volume by the time. These all are solid. That means the matter, the matter which has certain fixed volume and uh, shape, they are called matter. These fixed shape and volume, definite shape and volume. Those matter are called uh, solid. Wait. Look here. If you pour water in a glass, if you pour water in a glass, the water will take the shape of glass. Shape of glass. And if you put that water in bottle, the water will take the shape of bottle. If water is kept in measuring cylinder, water will take the shape of a measuring cylinder. Look here, here are colored liquid. All liquids have bottle shape. And we cannot compress water inside bottle. Can you compress water in a bottle? Can you put more than the capacity of the bottle? The capacity of the bottle is 1 liter. Then can you compress there 1 liter and next 100 milliliter water inside the same bottle or not? Can you put?
No, sir.
No, then we cannot compress water. We cannot compress liquid. We cannot compress means liquid has definite volume, fixed volume. Liquid has fixed volume and water takes the shape of the container. If you put in a glass, the shape will become glass. If you put the water in bottle, the water will take the shape of bottle. If you put the water in a jar, that measuring cylinder, the water will take the shape of measuring cylinder like that. That means shape is changed. Yes, shape is changed. Therefore, if we uh, consider what is liquid, then the matter which has definite volume, fixed volume, but no fixed shape. Look here, definite volume, but takes the shape of the container. That means no fixed shape. Is fixed, shape is not fixed. That is liquid. Volume and shape both fixed. That is solid. Volume is fixed. Shape is not fixed. That is liquid. Okay. Now then gas. Look here. From the chimney of this is one uh, from the factory, gas is coming. From the chimney, gas is coming, and from the chemical reaction in our test tube, also gas is coming. Then these have no fixed shape. Look here, shape is random, not fixed. 5 minutes before one shape, after 5 minutes another shape. And volume also is not fixed because 5 minutes before one house is covered by the smoke. After 5 minutes, whole village will cover by the same smoke. It will spread. That means gas has no certain fixed volume and shape. Shape also not fixed. Volume also not fixed. Shape and volume both are changeable, not fixed. No definite shape and volume. Those matter are called gas. That means in solid, in solid, in solid, okay, I have to recall now. Solid, solid, in solid, uh, volume, volume fixed and mass also fixed. In solid, yes. In solid, volume and mass both fixed. Then liquid, liquid, volume, volume fixed, but mass not fixed, not fixed. Gas, in gas, volume not fixed and mass also not fixed. In this way, we can identify among solid, liquid, gas. Volume fixed, mass fixed, both fixed, solid, both not fixed, gas. Look here, volume and mass both not fixed, gas. Both fixed, volume and mass both fixed, solid. And volume is fixed, mass is, sorry, in liquid volume not fixed, okay. In liquid volume not fixed. Oh, Hmm, I said, I wrote here wrong. Uh, Shape and volume, not mass. Volume is fixed. Volume is fixed. Volume is fixed. And here, in place of mass, that is shape. Okay, I forgot here. Shape. Volume and shape both fixed. That is solid. And volume and uh, shape not fixed. That is gas. And in liquid, volume is fixed. Mm, volume is fixed, but shape is not fixed. In solid, volume and shape both fixed. In gas, volume and shape both not fixed. But in liquid, volume is fixed, shape is not fixed. In this way, we can identify among solid, liquid, and gas. Then let's define matter and mass. What is matter? What is mass? Matter means anything that has mass and takes up space. That means volume. Anything that has mass and takes up space is called solid. It has three states: solid, liquids, gas. Then what do you mean by mass? Mass means how much matter it takes to make the item. That is mass. For example, this is a pen and pen has, let's say, 1 millions of atoms. 1 millions of atoms or molecules are used to be pen. Then that 1 millions of matter, sorry, 1 millions of molecules are called mass. That is matter. Therefore, mass is the amount of matter present in any object is called mass. Amount of matter present in any object, that is mass, and mass is measured in a kilogram unit. Then what is volume? Volume is how much space the item takes up. That means how much space it covers, or the space, the space occupied uh, by any object is volume. Yes, the space occupied by any object is volume. One book covers small space. Your whole total one set of books occupy more space. Your one book need one small bag. One set of book. Eight books need big bag because volume becomes more. Therefore, the space occupied by any object, that is volume. Is it clear? Look here. States of matter. Matter are of three types. I've already told you. Look here. The main states of matter. One is solid. This is ice. Okay. Same matter, different states. Here is ice. Ice is solid. Ice is solid. And Another here is liquid. In water, same thing is when water is freezed, then that becomes solid, and then liquid water. Water in ocean, water in lake, water coming from tap, they are in liquid condition. And another vapor, vapor coming from the water, that is gas form. Same matter but three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. In this way, same matter also sometimes may have different states. Liquid, I have already told you, the state of matter in which is a substance. Yes, liquid is also one state of matter in which is a very substance. Water is a substance and exhibits characteristics readiness to flow. Liquid can flow from one place to another and can flow some liquid can flow little, only little, or some will flow very in dispersed way. On earth, matter is usually found in one of the three states or phases. States and phases, same meaning, okay? Synonyms. In earth, every matter is present, whether that is liquid or gas or solid. Solid, a substance having a definite shape and volume. Definite shape and volume. That
सर
is
सर पेज नंबर कति हो
page number. I think you are Robin. Page number 72.
22
72. Robin Saha. Robin.
10.
Okay.
72.
Page number 72. After solid gas, substance possessing perfect molecular mobility. Molecular mobility means can move freely. Mobility means can move freely everywhere. That is molecular mobility. Molecular mobility means can move freely. Can move freely everywhere. Yes, can move freely everywhere. That is mobility. Mobility means this one. Okay, can move freely from one place to another. That is molecular mobility. And the property of indefinite expansion. Indefinite. There is no limit to take space. How much space it gets, gas will expand up to that space. That means uh, inside your kitchen, inside your house, there is one gas cylinder. Gas cylinder. If you open the gas, that what is called that switch to open the gas in cylinder regulator. Yes, if you make gas regulator on and gas burner also on, but you don't light the fire there, then what happens? At first, gas was inside cylinder, small volume. You open the regulator and burner also, but you did not fire. Then whole room will be surrounded by that gas. You can feel by smell. Afterwards, whole village will cover. More space is covered. Volume is very big. Likewise, that one cylinder of gas will cover one whole city. To the whole city, that gas will spread. That means Gas has no certain volume, therefore indefinite expansion capacity. How much space it gets, up to that space gas will occupy. Then these matter are called gas. Indefinite expansion capacity, no certain, no fixed volume, no fixed shape. Now, elements. This is one new topic, new term. Every matter, every matter, which is if every matter is broken chemically. Chemically means in a laboratory, in scientific laboratory, that is broken into simpler another substances. Here the word broken means not to cut. Broken means not to cut. Broken means make simpler matter, simpler substances. After breaking down further in simpler form, if it cannot be broken into simpler form, that is element. For example, in iron, by simpler breaking process, chemical breaking process, iron cannot be changed into another substance. Always it becomes iron, iron, iron. But water, if we break down water chemically, water will change into two another elements, that is oxygen and another hydrogen. Therefore, iron is element, water is not element, because water can be broken down into simpler form. Therefore, what is element? The matter which cannot be broken further into simpler form. Those are called element. Example of elements: oxygen, carbon, magnesium, zinc, etc. And among element, hydrogen is the lightest element. Okay, lightest element. The mass of the hydrogen element is lightest, and uranium is the heaviest element. Uranium. Uranium is the heaviest element, and hydrogen is the lightest element. Due to this heaviness, uranium is very much important in scientific research, in scientific development. But nowadays, uranium is being used in war purpose only. War. Uranium is very expensive also due to its heaviness. Heaviest element is uranium. Hydrogen is the lightest element. There are two types of elements. One is natural element and another is artificial element. Natural means natural means found naturally in earth. Natural means found naturally in earth. Found found in nature. Found in nature. That is natural. And artificial means scientists developed that. Developed in laboratory. Yes. Natural means elements which was developed by, natural means elements which is found in nature. Scientists did not do anything, only they recognized only. But artificial means scientists did different experiments, but while doing experiments, new elements were discovered. New elements were discovered in laboratory. In J, elements are of two types. Then, natural elements, elements found in the nature, may be in